How to remove table formatting in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect process. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Sheet, and you can see I have a sample table here, or format you can see. So how you can remove the formatting? So the simple process is just select the table or area which you want to remove the formatting. So just select this. Now here option called formatting. If it is hide like this, you need to just click on this down arrow, then the toolbar option or menu option will be visible to you. Now what we need to do, we need to go in formatting. Under the formatting you can see the lots of options, so you need to just scroll down and just come down, and we need to click on this option clear formatting. And if you want, you can use the shortcut keys, which is control plus this slash forwarding slash, or just click on clear formatting, then the table formatting will be clear like this. Or you can make, just select the table and make the normal border if you want, so it will be see like normal formatting. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.